Welcome, challengers. Today we've got 5 geometry riddles for you. 5 mysterious red angles waiting to be solved. But before I reveal the answers, I want you to try first. Grab a pen and paper, test your brain, and see how many you can solve on your own. Are you ready? Let's begin. Here's the first question. Focus carefully and try to figure out the measure of the red angle. I'll give you a few seconds to think. Then I'll walk you through the solution step by step. That was just the beginning. Get ready for question 2. It's going to test your accuracy even more. Now for the second riddle. It might look simple, but the tricky details could trip you up. Did you get it? Let's solve it together. Great job, but don't relax just yet. The next red angle might surprise you. On to question 3. We're halfway through the challenge. This one will really test your concentration. Try solving it before I show you the answer. That's 3 down. Still confident? Then brace yourself. Question 4 is going to be the toughest so far. Here comes question 4. This one isn't easy at all. Think carefully, take a shot at it, and then check your answer with me. Excellent. Just one more left. The final red angle, will it be simple? Or will it turn the tables? Finally, the fifth and final challenge. The red angle is right in front of you. Can you solve it before I reveal the solution? Let's see. That's it! All 5 questions solved. So, how many did you get right on your own? If you nailed all 5, congratulations, you're a geometry genius. But if a few left you stumped, don't worry. Every challenge makes you sharper. Make sure to like this video, subscribe, and drop your score in the comments below. Because the next set of riddles will be even tougher and more exciting. See you in the next challenge.